So, nag-decide akong i-share kasi napaka-sweet ni Pao. He came to, alam mo, yan si Pao.
Ayan na siya!
Ayan, kahit pag nakikita mo siya sa yung rumarampa na parang, 'di ba, yung dating, ang lakas ng dating. He's very sweet, very he's actually a very thoughtful person. So, nung nasa hospital ako, siya talaga yung nag-alaga every night.
Every night!
And day.
Nakakaloka!
Yun yung sincerity na hindi mo talaga mafe-fake. Alam mo yung gano'n?
Nagpapakita sa'yo talaga ng intention niya na parang kami talaga nafe-feel namin, he really wants to be with you. Ang question na lang ng lahat, what is stopping the two of you to be together?
Honestly, we have our ups and downs. We're very, very, very close. I can really say, isa siya sa mga best friend ko. Not to say na hanggang dun lang, pero ano talaga, maganda yung friendship namin. It's very real, genuine. Wala naman kaming project together, wala kaming, ano mo yun, we're very, very good friends. Pero siguro nandun din yung, syempre may anak na siya. Syempre ako, ayoko rin mag-commit kaagad sa isang tao na, kasi dapat tuloy-tuloy na yon, di ba? So, hindi pa namin napag-uusapan exactly kung ano yung meron kami. Pero you're right, whatever we have now, we're happy that way.
Friendship pero may feelings.
With love.
Oh, with love.
Nag-I love you siya.
Ay, naku po.
Hindi naman.
Slide.
Yakap sul.